Hey guys, we're back at the James Island property. So it's moving right along. Check out all these really fun details that we put into play. So when you first walked into this house, you ran into a wall, and we always like to get things nice and open and bring light in. So instead of just removing this entire wall and making it open and maybe just putting a wood beam up top, we thought it'd be really cool to add a little bit of character to the house, because as a brick ranch house, there wasn't a ton of character to it, and Charleston is filled with lots and lots of character, all the old historic homes downtown. So we wanted to just add in these arches to give it a little bit of love and life and fun. And then we brought this into this whole area right here was just a plain wall, but we'd like to add feature walls in because it gives a sense of a higher level feeling, and it creates more of a space where people can feel like they can build a home out of. And so what we did is took the same concept with the arches and brought it over here. And because this house didn't have a fireplace, which is a feature a lot of people like, we decided to add an electric fireplace over here. So this wall is gonna be a nice dark color, and it's gonna stand out. And then we're gonna have white bookshelves, or you can hang whatever. I'll probably put some lights here too, just to make it feel really unique and really fun. And we did a nice galley kitchen in this space. If you remember before, we had an island that came out this way, but it really felt like it closed off the space. So actually our contractor recommended, instead of staying with the same floor plan, that we do a galley style kitchen. And we added pantries too to give a little bit more space to keep things. And then decided not to do any uppers on this wall to make it feel bigger and give a really cool feel. And so this wall is gonna be a nice white, bright white tile. And we're gonna bring in some black and gold accents here with these sconce lights. So it's just about the little details where you walk into a house and you feel special. You're here cooking dinner and you've got these beautiful sconces. We're gonna do shelves with nice white tile. It's just about making the space feel unique. Again, adding in that character and just fun. In this one, we went with a light white paint, lighter floors. We're gonna do gold or brass hinges just to help it feel elevated. This bathroom is super fun. We originally wanted to use this green tile. It just kind of kicked off the theme for the house. This tile was really beautiful. And we originally wanted to do the entire floor in it, which would have looked so cool. But this tile is slick, so we couldn't actually use it for bathroom floor in good conscience, because you step out of the tub and you'd end up falling on your butt. So we wanted to add that really nice detail in here and keep everything nice and white. And this is actually a matte tile, so it's not shiny. If you can see that, it's not like that very bright, shiny tile. It's just kind of gives it like a nice feel. We added sconces here, and this is where the vanity's gonna go. Again, it's just about those little details and features where when you walk into a bathroom, you can just notice little touches that we did, instead of just making it an all white plain marble bathroom and keeping it super boring. Just these nice little details really add to the value of the property. And this is the master bath. So it's cute. It's small, but it's packed with a lot of design features. So we did like a cool herringbone on the wall here. We're gonna do brass fixtures. And then we did this nice green. This tile is so beautiful. It's got like all these different shades of green in it. And we actually decided after we had this done to go with a darker color over top of this. So we're gonna come back through, and just to make this look like one elegant piece of just like green, nice dark green, make the whole thing look a little bit more cohesive with less lines. So that's also going to be happening sometimes in the remodel process. you think that something is going to look good, especially with grout, because grout changes so much when you actually get it in. Sometimes you realize it's not exactly the way it should be, and so we're having it fixed. It's a part of it. And the floor is super dirty right now. You can't really see it. The floor is just gorgeous. It's got like different marbling colors in it. So once it's all cleaned up, you'll really be able to see that. And again, it's just about those little touches, like in there with the herringbone tile, that nice green, beautiful tile, and the different textures in the floor. All of these things play in visually when you walk into a space, and it helps make it feel a lot more custom. Yeah, so for the exterior on this one, we went with white and black. It gives it this nice, elegant look with the black touches, the black windows and doors with a nice, beautiful white. Our contractor actually picked out the white for us, and it looks beautiful. And then we're gonna get the yard cleaned up and have all the landscaping done. So when you walk up, it's just gonna be this, you can definitely see it all coming together. So let's take a look out back. We didn't have to do a ton out here, but we did get this deck finished. We're just gonna give somebody a really nice space, just come and hang out. And this backyard is so peaceful and so beautiful, and it's large. I mean, I'm envisioning a pool out here. If this was my house, I would 1000% put a pool out here, minus the leaves that would drop into it, but I think it'd be worth it. So back here, we're gonna actually go ahead and run a brand new fence all around, because unfortunately the house next door is in need of some lawn maintenance. So we're gonna take a fence and just bring it the whole way around and make it feel like a sanctuary for somebody. If you look up there, you have the beautiful live oak trees all around. Sit out here, you can hear the birds. It's beautiful out here. So we are right now about 3 weeks out from completion on this bad boy, as long as the contractors stick to their timeline. So we're getting there, we're getting close. We still obviously have a lot of buttoning things up to do, but we're getting there. So they still need to come in and obviously paint some things, the wall over there. They're gonna be doing tile tomorrow, finishing up the electric work. See holes here that need to be repatched. And then one of the other things that they're going to be doing, once the inside is mainly buttoned up, you can see they actually started out here, they're framing out another bedroom. And what that does for us is it gives us value. It gives us another bedroom in the house. So now we have a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house instead of a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. And that adds to the value, and it gives the new homeowner a dedicated space for, you know, this could actually be a great office for somebody because there's an exit right here. It could be a nice bedroom for somebody, a nice guest room if they have guests. We wanted to be able to just add a little bit more value by doing this. And then over here, instead of making this whole space a bedroom, we are gonna put some shelves up and make this a beautiful pantry, and then have a washer and dryer over here. So it's super functional as well. People can utilize this space. If you went to the backyard, it can act almost as like a small mud room. And then you can walk into this bedroom here. So we had considered putting a bathroom in here, but by the time the timeline and everything for it, it just didn't quite make sense to do it on this one. So right now it's just getting these finishing items completed, and hopefully in about 2 weeks we'll come through and do our punch list where we go through and say, hey, there's a little bit of blue mark on the wall, let's get that. So in our perfect world, in 2 weeks we would have everything looking completely finished, and we'd be actually walking through the house and saying, okay, these little details need to be buttoned up for when people come in to tour the home. So we're getting close on this one, guys. Stay tuned.